Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not technically a tutorial. This is more kind of just a watch me work. This was my first time trying out the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method, and I'm not calling this a tutorial because I did not do it exactly how Femi does it. And when I say that, I mean, I think I watched a couple videos and took different methods from each video, so I didn't do it exactly as she does it, and I can't say that I can teach you how to do it from my videos. So if you do want to learn how to do the Lazy Girl method in more detail, definitely go watch Femi's Beauty. She has a whole playlist on how to do the Lazy Girl method. And also, if you're just on YouTube, just search Lazy Girl method. There are so many talented nail tubers who have such good videos, so I highly recommend you guys check those out. I really did enjoy the method, even though I didn't follow it to the T. I really loved how quick and easy my nails turned out. They were really cute. I really loved them. I almost did not post this video because I didn't want to get any hate on me not correctly following the videos directions, but I've gotten so many compliments in real life, it's insane. So I was like, I have to post these nails because somebody somewhere might enjoy how these turned out. I think you guys will. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this method out again in the future the right way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little cow print design. They are not your everyday on the farm Chick-fil-A cow nails. These are a little bit more grown up, a little bit more abstract. I do show you that, I did use a daughter tool to get the more kind of cowy print spots, but you can also just be lazy and use a brush. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna let you guys relax, watch everything go down, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe while you are here. That means the world to me, as you guys know. And yeah, like this video if you like this design, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.